Disclaimer: all stunts taking place in the video are done in a controlled space and in a professional environment. Viewer discretion is advised.
Somebody get a Kuma. Somebody get fucking a Kuma.
Hey, that's a nice little intro right there. Shit. He said get on the boom. Get on the boomstick. This man walked right through it. You got it. You got it. I got faith in you.
Walk right underneath the middle of the boom, bitch. Bro, you're good. It's the truck. It's not gonna fall. I told you walk underneath the boom. Shut up. Dumb bitch.
Like you struggling a little bit.
I ain't gonna lie, that is from your mom. That looks like a new friend. Go jump sad. That bitch looks new. Look at it.
Once you put it out the dirt, put it in neutral so I can.
I can't! Fuck nigga, you put it in neutral. Put it in neutral, bitch.
Water right here.
Bro, jump out, bro. You got the newbies.
Put it in neutral, bro. Put it in neutral. You just walk back there.
You got the
I
newbies.
tried to. You don't see the dirt on my hand from me trying to put it in neutral?
What happened?
I couldn't move it. Why? Because it didn't move.
You pull the thing off?
I couldn't.
You like you struggling over there, bro.
Go pull it off.
All right, get a screwdriver out your torso.
Go. Bitch, my car over there.
You got torso right now. I see the screwdriver out.
You got tools right there. That shit. Bro, you created a trench. That ain't slow walking backwards.
It's been in one wheel.
One wheel.
It's been a one wheel burner.
Bro, you just made a whole trench.
Like, look, nigga, it's dirt in my pocket.
So what now?
Use a bit.
Can't prove it.
I can't. Why you running?
Why you grabbing him for?
Tase the shit out of him. I grabbed the taser. I feel the shit out of him. You can get tased.
Bitch, tase me and can't take a nine. I'm gonna shoot the fuck out of you.
I took the 9 and shoot your own fucking gun.
Damn.
Fuck out of me, tase me.
Matter
I
of fact,
got a
I'm gonna need
bad
to see your credentials.
Oh, your pants.
Get his ass. What is it? Lock his ass.
Lag his ass up.
Oh, you gonna walk in there with pink cuffs? Don't worry. It's
They
for
go.
you and for me.
They go.
As soon as they take them off, nigga, I'm blasting the first nigga in the cell. They gonna know I ain't.
They're like, yeah, we got him with the sweet cuffs.
Oh, yeah.
The fruity pebbles.
Ooh, fruity pebbles walking. Glass. Oh no, not for you, not for you. Not for you. Not for you. Say hello to my big friend.
Why the fuck you walking to me?
Cause and they got the tip part.
You know what my father told the nigga? My father told the nigga.
Turn around, bitch.
This is what happens when you got two fruitcakes. Oh, sorry, YouTube. Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait. You didn't see that. That's a weapon, sir.
It don't matter.
The ball in the front of the car?
The who? Yeah.
The ball.
Not Fast and the Furious Street. Like, we just got the SRT8, the RT, and the Hellcat to sit in the middle joint. And then we got the ghost police officer.
We got the Ford Ranger.
And the Ford Ranger, crab walking. Sitting on four. They took the UFC logo. What day type piece you got over there? Damn. Shit.
That's your dog.
Yeah, they ain't tightening it. I thought you were gonna drive it down the block. Scrape. Almost.
You're killing the ass picture right there.
Nah, for real.
Killing the ass photo shoot right there.
Damn. Drop my keys. Not my keys dirty. I was expecting you to drive down the drain, but he was like, you probably ain't want the oil to get hot.
I cut the video.
Cut the video.
motherfucker to switch gears.
Yeah, but nah, that dream was raising up right here. I don't know what happened. Like, I don't know.
Still no boat and
Yeah,
shit from
it looked like it got lower. It's way lower now.
Yeah, it's that shit that, oh shit, did you hit something?
No.
Sure. Somebody screamed.
That's what I'm
see that
saying.
shit?
Probably,
Somebody screamed.
that's probably why the rap got like that.
Yeah,
I feel like somebody
screamed.
sat on that bitch or something.
I mean, I might can put something there. That shit just gonna be hard as fuck.
You don't worry about that shit right now. All right, here we go. We got the cat. About to do an oil change. Oh, and this is why y'all keep asking about the fucking check engine. Like, we gotta fix this. That's why the shit on. But you know, it's okay.
Yeah, we gonna get us a new engine.
Yeah.
This bitch way fast.
I gotta show you the video.
It's kind of crazy. Bro, I was cruising. I just hit the gas a little bit. And that jump was, I was like, oh shit.
All right, we're gonna let it cool down so we can get this motherfucking oil change and shit.
We gonna fix this other one.
Yeah, we need a bolt. Which one? The side door?
Fuck that. Come on, we gonna go in there, but we gonna go in from...
You gotta go through the back. Nah, go through the back. Nah, look. No, look. Look at the back. Look at the back. We going in right through this part.
Shit.
The door open.
Nigga, hold on. Let me get my gun ready.
It's
In
about to
case a motherfucking raccoon jump out.
It's about to be somebody living in
Shoot the
there.
fuck out that jump.
Bro, the door really open. That shit probably stink.
It's gonna like mildew.
Oh yeah, nah, we're
Oh,
not.
nigga was living
Oh
in.
yeah, we're not going nowhere near
See
that.
them underwears?
That shit got bed bugs.
That shit got...
Don't touch that shit.
Nah, don't touch that.
Oh yeah, that's trifling. That's
Wow,
trifling.
come on, why would you
That's
touch that
That's trifling. That's trifling. That's
shit? Why would you touch
trifling.
that?
That's trifling. This shit.
You gotta throw them gloves away.
You can't even go in that
You
water
need
no more. You
gloves.
just
Don't
contaminated the
touch the steering
water.
wheel with them jump.
Not for real.
That shit stink though.
You gotta sanitize that motherfucker. Damn, this shit trifling.
Yeah.
Yeah, you deserve to get told.
Nah, he deserves that. We need to take this bitch.
Truck gotta get burnt. Oh nah. Yeah, that just made my stomach hurt.
Told y'all it wasn't a good idea.
That didn't make my stomach hurt. Fuck that shit. Huh? He was doing what?
He was sleeping in.
Yeah, he was doing whatever in that drink. That didn't need pest control. Alright, we switching cars because we gotta go do an auto zone run real quick. Don't even know if this bitch open like this. No? You gotta unlock it? Turn off? Shit won't turn off, making me mad. Alright, let's go make this drive to go pick up these pads. Man, truck about tall as a mother. Ooh, shit, he almost hit me. In front of the police station would have been crazy. We got some oil, we got some brakes. Time to get back to the vehicles. I ain't recorded, but the brakes on it didn't sound so bad, bro. It sounded like the front bumper was coming off the car. Yeah, reporting for duty. I'm trying to look at that.
Nah, but it's that way. It's that way. It's that way. It's that way. It's that
What
way.
did y'all get condoms from? Nah, fall back.
That shit dripping.
Bro, I'm just trying to work, bro. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to work.
It smell like hot nights.
I'm mad at this bought a pack of air fresheners, bro. I'm just like sick. I just bought a pack. Yeah, fall back.
Fall back.
Fall back.
There's no expect. I'm stuck. Oh, who the fuck tightened this?
Wasn't that you?
Oh, I don't think I tightened this one. I did. I definitely. Nah, that probably was Agar, because we done an oil change on this job when we first got it. Hey, nah, don't play with that jack with me over here, bro. Why the fuck his car gonna fall then? Oh yeah, nah, I don't like playing on the car. It's one of my biggest fears by myself.
It's draining. I think they're like kind of dirty.
Look. Oh yeah.
Hold on, I got you.
Oh, you finger my intake like that.
I wonder how many fingers they can fit. Oh, fast.
That bitch sounded good driving down the street.
No, I was like,
Yeah, this.
You gotta tell everybody that own a Hemi, go get a bottle of this and pour it in every oil you change.
And what that's gonna do?
Stop them from having lifted tick. You would
That ain't
never
kind
have
of thick, ain't it?
he ran from the police, guys.
it. No, the fuck I did.
Nigga.
It's traffic.
Nah, he trying to cap. He was just trying to take the police officer gun not too long ago.
Oh, for real?
What?
Yeah,
No, I
got you on camera, nigga.
Somebody get a Kuma. Somebody get fucking a Kuma.
Hey, that's a nice little intro right there. Shit. Yeah, nice little thumbnail.
Give us a thumbnail?
Nice little thumbnail.
Hey, go
bet
put
you
that
won't. I bet you
nigga
won't.
obstructing his mirror.
Right,
He cannot
obstruction of
see.
view. Get it.
Oh shit, that shit went up fast. Slow down. So, I'm gonna hold it up so I can see. Slow. Stop.
Dude, your pullout game horrible.
Nigga, I'm listening to a nigga that's telling me to go slow instead of just saying stop when it's getting
I
close.
said his pullout game horrible.
Horrible.
I was out.
He got 2 kids.
I don't even pull out. I don't pull out.
Yeah, you know. We can tell.
Straight in that motherfucker. Shoot the club up. Shoot the club. What's the point of pulling out? Why fuck gonna pull out?
This one got no headlights.
I bet you won't get him though. Pussy me.
Hey Ortiz, I need you to drive off so you don't see what I'm about to do with the rest.
That's between you and God. I had more than 7
You gonna
courses on my
drive
shit.
off so you don't see it? Cause I'm about to do some fuck shit with the rest of it.
Was that you use for your KY?
What is KY?
Yeah, KY jelly.
You know what KY is?
Lube.
Yeah, you never had lube before? Like you just put it-
Y'all was just playing with lube earlier?
Nigga, the pussy be one. One of one, two-tone Hellcat, red eye hood.
Does a car have two bullet on the side?
225,000 watts.
It's called a supercharger. It's a Hemi power.
Bro, he be killing me with that 225,000 watts.
It's like all fuzzy.
Fiberglass.
Yeah, but, I mean the hood is heavy. My hood is heavy, but it's got like all this fuzz and stuff underneath it, like the fuzz and wrapping.
I need that.
I don't know what kind of stuff it is.
Fiberglass.
Ah, fiberglass.
Yes, sir.
It's pretty cool. That's actually really nice.
Yeah. If you touch it, it makes you itch.
Really?
Fiberglass is
I
itch.
didn't post it. Y'all
Oh, I don't
posted
really
my
touch
rap,
it.
mother
That's-
suckers.
I mean, I don't really touch it, sir.
I didn't post it yet.
Why didn't you fucking tell me, you dickhead? I'll delete it. I'll delete it. I don't watch your
I
shit.
like this.
Don.
This is a splinter.
Don. You got
This is
that
a splinter.
little Don?
That's a splinter. That right there is a splinter.
Guess how much these fucking Pringles
That's a splinter on metal.
They
No,
were
it's a
$4
splinter.
fucking dollars.
The bumper is a splinter.
Why did you take that shit? He's
Ready,
asking
Echo?
for $4 for
Ready?
fucking. I don't feel anything on my head.
It's okay. We're wild boys. Wild boys don't fuck.
You want to leave?
What is
Are you still recording?